Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, we're going to reinstall the spring back into the Bolex clutch barrel. Make sure you got your safety protection first, your long arm gloves, surgical mask, eye protection, shield face protection, and a towel to wrap around your throat. Again, if this spring breaks or flies out of your hands, it can cause extreme harm to human flesh. So you don't want the ambulance to come up and you look the fool when you got a Bolex spring stuck out of your neck or your chest. All right? And by the way, if you intend to do a repair like this, whatever happens to your camera or your person are on you. Let's get started. Okay, everybody, this is graphite grease. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply it inside the barrel right here. Just like so. On the sides as well. Alright. So once you've done that, go ahead and get rid of this piece right here. Now you're going to wipe down your spring and this part here. Wipe all the way around in there. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to get ready for the main spring. Okay, what I've done with my brush here, I went ahead and pre-lubricated the spring on both sides. Now we're going to take it and load it inside of the clutch barrel, going counterclockwise. And inside the glove, here is the pin right by my pencil eraser, right there. You've got to get, of course, this hole right here on the inside of that. Not easy. Lock it in, keep going. Okay, right here by my pencil eraser, once you've got the pin locked onto the spring, right there, then you can start to wind it on. Alright? Remember, this thing has a lot of power in it, the spring. So be careful if you decide to go this far and be so brave. Okay, when you get some revolutions of the spring done, put the pin in right there. So let me grab this. It's this piece. It's a lock. Keep winding it until you get it all the way in there. Be careful. Alright, so keep winding it in here. Hold it like I'm showing you until you get to the very end of it. The spring's got a lot of power, and yeah, it's dangerous. So keep working it all the way to the very end. Okay, this is the progress so far. I just had to keep winding it just like this, and it gets tighter as you get to the end of it, to the center of the spring, of course. Okay, when you get closer to the end, work it around here like this, and it should just pop right inside like that. Okay, here's the arbor pin. You need to get it inside the spring here. So what you want to do, take this, stick it inside of there, just like so. Get it to catch. And then I'll take my screwdriver and I'll make sure it's locked on. Once I got that done, and the arbor was locked onto the pin well. I'll test it just like that. This part here, this lock, is going to protrude out the bottom, as you see right here. It will also protrude out the top. Take your screwdriver, give it a few taps. Okay, take this graphite grease and go ahead and rub all the way around in here. Alright, even in between, down inside the spring. If you're wondering where to get this graphite grease, well, if you play guitar, you would know. It'd probably be in your guitar case. Go to a guitar shop, music shop, and they got this graphite grease in there. Just put all the stuff on there like that. Put a lot. I still got some more work to do to this motor on the outside. Alright, now that I'm at my desk, the locking pin right here, it goes all the way through to the bottom of the clutch barrel here. You see it's done there. So what I got to do is seat it at the top of the clutch barrel drum right there. To do that, line everything up, the pin there with the hole here by my finger, tilt it forward and line it up just like that. Spin it around, make sure I get everything lined up down at the bottom. Right here, just like so. Take my screwdriver, press it forward, just like that. You have to turn it a little bit, and I'm good. Alright, so you can hear and it's seated down. 1 and 2. Alright, besides putting the screws in, this motor is finished. Do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for parts, servicing, and questions. The same, Bolex Repair Philippines email at gmail.com. Do click that bell and subscribe. And visit Morbid Team Entertainment Experimental Horror Films if you like really extremely gory horror films. We'll be making those. Alright, until next time. See ya!